इसमें जो फर्स्ट 3 क्वेश्चंस हैं अलाइन टू द लेफ्ट एंड देयर आर 3 क्वेश्चंस अलाइन टू द राइट. द क्वेश्चंस व्हिच आर अलाइन टू द लेफ्ट मींस यू ब्लेम द वर्ल्ड फॉर योर प्रॉब्लम्स and align to the right means you blame yourself for the problems. Okay? So जैसे मूलाधार में है, you feel that the world is not supporting you. It could be your parents, it could be your colleagues, it could be your boss. You feel that life is full of struggles. You feel that people are threatened by my presence. You have to clear your perception of the world. चश्मा आपकी आंखों पर है. You have to wear a gemstone. Every chakra has got 2 directions. One is you with the world and one is world with you. When you have to clean the world with you, you have to wear a gemstone of that chakra. When you have to cleanse yourself with the world, which is the next set of questions. I feel all alone. I suffer from instability. I find hard to be grounded. I'm always lazy. I procrastinate. You have to heal yourself. So you have to wear the Rudraksha of this chakra. So अगर आपके टॉप 3 में से कोई भी है, you should be wearing कोरल, मूंगा. और आपके बॉटम 3 में से कोई भी है, you should be wearing हनुमान, 14 मुखी. And if you have got pains in the leg bone, it is serious. You have to come for counseling. Then there are many fears. अगर आपके नीचे जो पेन है, लेग्स में है, बोन है, आपके फीट दुखते हैं, आपके एंकल्स दुखते हैं, इसका मतलब है you are constantly worried about money. This chakra is the chakra of your body consciousness. आज आपकी बॉडी जो है वो आप वृत्तियाँ क्रिएट कर रही है इन द चित्त. आपके जो चित्त में जो वृत्तियाँ हैं they are created by your body fears. और जब तक वृत्ति होंगी आपकी बॉडी will refuse to merge with your mind. So you have to first cleanse the fears of the body. जब तक ये सारे fears cleanse नहीं होंगे, the merger, the yoga of the body with the mind is not going to happen. Clear?
Yes.
Come to the next chakra. तो ये जो मूलाधार है is the chakra of the body consciousness. Now we come to the Swadhisthana. It is the chakra of your identity. It shows how much you respect, how much you honor your identity. So today, the questions, the top 4 questions means you give more value to others rather than yourself. You feel they are more important than you. You allow them to take advantage of you. The way they look at you, you believe you are like that. Today, identity chakra teaches you, irrespective of how the world behaves towards you, you have to respect your identity. You have to respect what you are born with, irrespective of how the world behaves towards you. So आपको अपना world का चश्मा clear करना है. You need to wear the gemstone pearl. और जो बाकी के 3 questions हैं, you have self-doubt. You have self-doubt. You are constantly judging yourself, putting yourself down. You feel insecure. You lack respect for your identity. So for the bottom 3 questions, you have to wear Rudraksha of Mahamrityunjay Shiva, which is 16 mukhi. 16 मुखी का मतलब ही यही है. जो 16 मुखी जो महामृत्युंजय है, जो मंत्र है, ओम त्रयंबकम यजामहे सुगंधिम पुष्टिवर्धनम. Let me realize the sugandh and the health within me. Urvarukumeva bandhana mrityor mukshiyamamrita. Just like a cucumber comes out from the stalk willingly and tells the world, use me, make me also full of fragrance, full of intelligence, full of knowledge, so that I am able to serve the world. तो ये जो 16 मुखी पहन के you realize your identity and you become ready to serve the world with your identity. और last चक्रा blocked है, you need to come for free counseling in the center. Last चक्रा में है, a person has lower back pain, muscular problem, you feel tired all the time, kidney, bladder, sexual problem, ladies have PCOD problem, menstrual cycle problem, a couple has problem having children, It's all wisdom. Then you need to come for counseling. अब मणिपुर चक्र में आ जाए. अब मणिपुर चक्र is the seat of your mind, your knowledge, your partnership. Today, if you don't respect your knowledge, you feel I am not intelligent enough, you become dependent on others, or you allow others to become dependent because you don't feel they are apt to stand on their own feet. Today, if you feel that my wife is dependent on me, I'll tell you a typical example. I had this person, he is right now, he was hospitalized very seriously. उसके साथ क्या था? He used to always worry about his wife and children. He used to always tell, my wife is very weak, she is very fearful, she keeps her children all the time inside. And I always worry if something happens to me, who will take care of my wife and children? Now what happens is, he went finally to the hospital. He was hospitalized. Okay, with a lot of these issues and all. So finally, I told him, I said, you are in the hospital, God has told, now you are totally, not able to do anything to the world. अब आप बिस्तर पे लेटे रहो, let your wife take charge. So what happened was that मैंने उससे कहा कि you just lie still and let your wife take, because you are under the wrong impression your wife cannot take care of this. Then what happened when he was in the hospital? The wife actually developed energy to get up, go out, drive the car, take the children, take the responsibilities of the house. While he was in the hospital for 20 days, he saw another face of his wife. Till you allow a person to be dependent on you, she will be dependent on you. The day you say, come on, you are independent, I am independent, she will develop that strength to stand on her own. So today, if you are thinking, I have responsibilities, I have these people dependent on me, it is your side. Allow them to be independent and they will stand. So, if you have ticked the top 4, your chashma for the world has to be clear. When you allow people to dominate me, people give me opinions, you give them too much value. You give their value, their knowledge, more value than yourself. So for this, you need to wear a ruby. And for the rest, 6 questions, you have to empower yourself and trust your own knowledge. Where you feel powerless, where constantly you feel dependent on others, you don't trust your own opinions, for everything you are constantly calling others, tu hota to kya hota, mujhe kya karna chahiye. For this, you need to wear Rudraksha 12 mukhi. And for the last one, you need to come for counseling. Acidity, weak stomach, liver issues, pancreas issues, diabetes. Of Ruby, Manak. Now we come to the Anahat Chakra. Today, this is the chakra for love, trust and experience. आज अगर आपके ऊपर के 3 ब्लॉक है, you look at the world. You are not seeing the world. You are looking at the world and feel, I am not getting love from others. People are not trusting me. And I cannot forgive people because they have done wrong. You are blaming the world. You are not realizing it's again a definition. Today if you think किसी ने मेरे को betray किया, किसी ने मेरा फायदा उठाया, it is your definition. आज अगर आप कमरे में एक शेर ले आओ, तो शेर क्या करेगा? आपको अटैक करेगा. Will you say कि शेर has betrayed me? Will you say शेर ने धोखा दिया? भाई मैं तो लेकर आया, मैंने इतनी मेहनत से उसको अपने कमरे में लेकर आया और उसने मुझे अटैक किया. Because you know the शेर. और आज आपकी जिंदगी में कोई आता है और आपके साथ डिफरेंटली बिहेव करता है, ये आपका डेफिनेशन है, मैंने इसके लिए ये किया, वो किया, पर उसने वो किया. आप शेर को लेकर आए थे, उसने अटैक किया. Don't define. So for the first 3, you wear an emerald. And for the last 4, you wear a Gauri Shankar. We need to unite with the world. And for the next, allergies, runny nose, chest congestion, itching, cold cough, fever, heart or blood related issues, blood pressure, cholesterol, skin issues, you need to come to me for counseling. Actually, Gauri Shankar के अलग अलग मुखीज होते हैं. So you can take one general Gauri Shankar, then you can see.
Chakra is for cardiac.
Then we come to the Vishuddha Chakra. Now these are all your divine chakra. अनाहट के नीचे सारे ह्यूमन चक्र हैं और अनाहट के ऊपर सारे डिवाइन चक्र हैं. So Vishuddha is about expression. In this chakra you are forced to express who you are. You are forced to understand others and express yourself freely. So इसमें आज अगर top 4 है block, you have a problem with the word, you have a problem with the ears, with the hearing. Top 4 means you have problems with the people. You feel they don't understand you, but you are right. You feel they don't appreciate you, but you are right. You feel that it's difficult for you to hear others. It's a top 4 chakra. So for this you have to wear Guru Kast or Pukhraj. Pukhraj. And for the next 4, I have a hard time to say what I feel. I feel guilty. I feel shy and timid. आज अगर आप बात करने जाते हो और आपकी आवाज़ गले में अटक जाती है, you are all the time very careful. मैं बोलूँ कि नहीं बोलूँ? All the time you are thinking आपका गले का चक्र होगा. तो उसके लिए you wear a 4-मुखी माला. You can even wear a 5-मुखी माला, 4-मुखी and 5-मुखी माला. Last is you have insomnia, thyroid, asthma, pains in the neck or shoulder. Frequently आपका गला खराब हो जाता है. You have to come to for counseling. Next we come to the Agnya Chakra. This is the chakra located in the middle of the forehead, and this is the chakra of definitions. माया जो है वो यही बनती है. यहीं पर you define things the way they are. जैसे आपने डिफाइन किया है उससे माया बनती है. If you have strict definitions, you become rigid, you become stubborn. So top 2 questions and you feel the world is wrong. And उसके नीचे के 3 questions you feel I am wrong. तो ऊपर के 2 questions है, you have to cleanse your spectacles for the world. You have to wear a blue sapphire. And for the bottom 3 questions, you have to wear a 17 book. And for the last question, you need to meet me. Next we come to the crown chakra. This is your connection with God. This is where you achieve self-realization and you realize that I am not just a human being, I am a higher self. Till you don't trust God, till you don't trust in the consciousness, whatever is happening with your life, you will look at it in a very limited way and you will feel fearful. मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों हुआ? So top 3 questions means you are doubting the world. आप पूरी दुनिया को डाउट कर रहे हो. I feel discontented. वर्ल्ड से मुझे discontentment है. I am not getting my due, what I truly deserve. I feel that मैं कितनी भी प्रेयर करूँ, मेरी मन की इच्छा कभी पूरी नहीं होती है. It means that you are not connected with the universal consciousness. The wave wants to go away from the ocean. इसके लिए you need to wear स्फटिक. जो स्फटिक जेमस्टोन है उसकी माला आप देखो, बहुत सारे गुरु लोग स्फटिक की माला पहनते हैं. It's a very powerful gemstone. It cleanses the चित्त. इसके ऊपर एक और रत्न काम करता है, वो है पारद. हम लोग की सेल पारद, मर्क्यूरी, सॉलिडिफाइड मर्क्यूरी. It's very effective for this chakra because when you wear a ring or a locket or a bracelet, your chitta gets cleansed. So you start feeling very calm and relaxed after wearing. Next is you feel you are unlucky or I feel lost and feel यार मेरे साथ तो कुछ होता ही नहीं है. You feel hopeless in life. For this you need to wear a 1-mukhi. It connects you to the Supreme Shiva. And last is if you have migraines, dizziness, brain-related disorders, Alzheimer's, any kind of disillusionment with life, skin discoloration, severe skin-related diseases, then you need to come to Rudra Center for counseling. Okay? So, basically, this is an analysis. Did it help you?
Yes.
So, these are the different retreats. At least you know what you need to work on. Because understand, again I repeat, आपको कुछ भी नहीं सीखना है लाइफ में. अगर आपने ये fears ही निकाल दिए, automatically you will learn from life. Whether you believe it or not, it will work. It will open. पर क्या होता है, चक्र बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स होता है बंद. बहुत सारे चक्र एक दूसरे से भी कनेक्टेड होते हैं. तो जब आप ये जेमस्टोन और रुद्राक्ष पहनते हो, डेफिनेटली यू गेट रिलीफ. डेफिनेटली देयर नो डाउट अबाउट इट. जब आप पहनोगे, आपके उसके रिलेटेड डिजीजेस कम हो जाएंगे, उसके रिलेटेड फियर्स कम हो जाएंगे. एंड फॉर दैट यू डोंट हैव टू बिलीव. यू डोंट हैव टू बिलीव. You can just wear it without even knowing, without even thinking. You can just wear it. It will help you. But understand कि complete healing कब होती है? When there is an awareness. जब awareness आ, उससे complete healing. So these are aids given by none other than Mahadev himself. उन्होंने ऐसे aid नहीं दिए जिसमें you have to trust and you have to believe and then just have to wear it and forget about it. Like Rudraksh and gemstones, they are healers who travel with you all the time. Today, if you come to Chakra Yoga class, or you go to Kriya Yoga, or you go to Pranayam, जब तक आप कर रहे होते हो, you feel nice. But when you come out of the class, again those problems come, and again you fall into that trap. अगर आप रेकी healing भी करते हो, उस समय के लिए you feel nice. But after that, again that thing gets polluted. रुद्राक्ष और जेम्स का क्या फायदा है? दैट गुरु इज सिटिंग विद यू. जैसे ही वो इम्प्योर होता है, इट विल क्लेंज इट. इम्प्योर होता है, इट विल क्लेंज इट. बट डेफिनेटली 1 to 21 इज डिफिकल्ट फॉर अ पर्सन टू वेयर. बिकॉज नंबर 1, इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू वेयर ऑन बॉडी. इतने सारे रुद्राक्ष एंड एट द सेम टाइम एक्सपेंसिव भी होते हैं. बट इवन इफ यू टेक सम रुद्राक्ष, थोड़ा सा भी आपको क्लच मिल जाए, स्मॉल क्रच ऑल्सो यू गेट फॉर मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द मेन प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ योर्स. It will start your journey. बाकी तो खुद ही झगड़ना है, लड़ना है, सीखना है. But probably the crystals come in different colors. So maybe every color crystal works on that specific chakra. What do the gemstones do actually? Gemstones क्या करते हैं? Concentrated rays दे देते हैं आपके चक्र. आज आपका चक्र ब्लॉक है, बीमार है, because of a fear. उसमें इतनी सारी impurities हैं कि it is not able to rotate at its natural frequency and give you that light and color for your emotions and for your physical organs. तो जब आप concentrated उसको कलर दोगे, जैसे आपका मणिपुर ब्लॉक है और मणिपुर का कलर क्या है? येलो. और आपको पता है रूबी में से क्या कलर निकलता है? येलो. You go to Google, you read about cosmic colors. These gemstones, they take out a specific cosmic color, and this was my research. When I found the association of gems and that too how to wear it correctly. What happens is people are wearing gemstones, but they are all wearing on the wrong fingers. So number 1, the gem has to be natural, untreated, unheated, and it has to be worn in the correct finger, in the correct way. That is what our research is about. नहीं तो क्या होगा? अब येलो कलर दे दो हार्ट चक्र को, हार्ट ब्लॉक हो गया. And then you say, oh मेरा रूबी सूट नहीं कर रहा है. And then the astrologer will say, oh या आपका सन है ना राहु के साथ बैठा है, इसलिए आप रूबी नहीं पहन सकते. It's wrong. Everybody can wear all the 9 gems. It's just that the correct way of wearing should be known. Yes, because you wore, yes. Because you wore in the wrong finger, the wrong gem.
And
So that's why.
What about the carrots? कैरेट होता है ना.
देखिए frankly what I feel is कि कैरेट से भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. 2 carat, 3 carat, it is just that it is a smaller filter. But you are wearing all the time on the body. आप बड़ा सा जेम पहनोगे आपको 2 दिन में लगेगा कुछ होगा. छोटा पहनोगे आपको 10 दिन में लगेगा. पर कैरेट से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आप छोटा एप्पल खाओ 2 महीने तक या बड़ा एप्पल खाओ 1 महीने तक. प्योरिटी what I personally feel, क्योंकि जब मैंने टेस्ट किया अपने आप को, I took 3 years in this research, तो मैंने तो सारे clouded gems पहने purposely, because I feel कि मैं worst पहनूंगी तो अच्छा तो काम करेगा. What I find is कि if a gemstone has got some impurities inside, then no problem. वो भी कुदरत ने ही बनाया. ये तो there are some books written कि इसमें ये होगा तो ये हो जाएगा, ये होगा तो ये हो जाएगा. भाई भगवान आपको ऐसा धोखा थोड़ी देगा. in the earth, they come with lot of impurities. आप absolutely clean ढूंढने जाओगे तो वो rock का top surface होगा, top surface, वो ही absolutely clean होगा. और इतना ज़्यादा हवा लोगों ने बना दिया है, clean होना है, otherwise जेम से पता नहीं क्या क्या हो जाएगा. तो क्या हो रहा है कि लोग है ना प्लास्टिक, सिंथेटिक, treated, heated gems लोगों को बेच रहे हैं और लोग उसको पहन रहे हैं. They are not realizing the biggest harm of wearing heated gem and treated gem is it is not giving out that cosmic color. आपको पता है येलो सफेद में से कौन सा कलर निकलता है? येलो सफेद में से कौन सा कलर निकलता है? ब्लू. इट्स ब्लू. अब क्या होता है कि लोग है ना वो ब्लू चक्कर में जितने भी लोग, I find 90% of my customers who come to me they are wearing Bangkok का येलो. वो हार्डली 300 रुपए का आता है, कुछ लोग 1500 2000 तक का बेच देते हैं. वो बैंकॉक का जो ब्लू सफायर है, it is all just paste made out of heat. आप देखो बैंकॉक, I went specifically to Bangkok to see how it is made. अब क्या है कि उसमें से तो येलो कलर निकलता है. येलो निकलेगा, आपके थ्रोट चक्रा को येलो डालोगे. You put yellow in the throat, it will block the chakra. And then that's why you put on weight after that. Yellow क्या है? It's all Manipur imbalance हो गया. You put on weight. So understand कि colors, cosmic colors will only come out if a gem is non-rated. If you are ready to take something which is little clouded and which is not, not very clear but which is 100% natural, you can take it from us. We deal in yellow and blue sapphire which are totally natural. आप कहीं पर भी टेस्ट करा लो, heated treated नहीं है, but they just cost around 3000 per carat. But they are natural. They don't look so beautiful. They don't have those black things, but they are not very clear. This is what I have identified and we do in therapy for the clients. Our blue sapphire and yellow sapphire complete range costs 18,000, but it affects totally. और ये GII सब खुले होते हैं. You can always go give it for testing. If you give it for ask for testing, we can get it in the same institute for 1500 rupees. Because if you give them around 50 gems a month, they reduce the fee. So you can get it at lesser price.
For Chandra, somebody use the blue sapphire. Where to put it?
That is our guidance. वो हम आपको गाइड करेंगे. There are some we have to talk, we have to discuss, we have to know about it. Then we'll tell you how to do it. So every gemstone has got a certain technique, has got a certain way, a certain process. But if you wear it correctly, definitely it helps you. So as he said कि चक्र जो है ये रेमेडी से भी खुलते हैं, ध्यान से भी खुलते हैं, ज्ञान से भी खुलते हैं. So there are many ways by which we can open the chakra. Okay? अब एक meditation करें. Let us do a meditation. आज हमारे अंदर बहुत सारा डर है. Yes, fear of work. Yes, and also a fear of knowledge. आज यहाँ पर कितने लोग हैं जिनको कोई काम आता है कि चल जरा कोई बैंक का ये करना, ये FD, ये पॉलिसी, गाड़ी का इंश्योरेंस. जब भी उनके पास ऐसा काम आता है वो कहते हैं चलो तुम कर लो. आज आपकी बॉस आके बोलते हैं कि आप है ना जरा मैकेनिकल डिपार्टमेंट में जरा थोड़ा हेल्प कर दो, थोड़ा फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट में आ जाओ. एंड जैसे कि नो इसको दे दो उसको दे दो. सो हाउ मेनी पीपल हियर हैव गॉट अ फियर ऑफ नॉलेज? किसी को नहीं है तो मैं मेडिटेशन नहीं करूँगी. रियलाइज है, अंडरस्टैंड कि दिस फियर इज देयर. टुडे नो जो आपको आता है यू वांट टू स्टे इन दैट टेरिटरी. पर जैसे ही आपको थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट आ जाए, वाइफ कह देगी चलो ये करना है, जरा बच्चे का एडमिशन, कॉलेज जाओ, इसका फीस भर दो, ऑनलाइन, कंप्यूटर. बहुत सारे लोग तो कंप्यूटर से डरते हैं कि ये क्या टेक्नोलॉजी है, और उनको बोला जाता है भाई फॉर्म भरो, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आजकल ऑनलाइन पे हो सकती है, ये ऐसे हो सकता है. जनरली दे से नो इट्स ओके. दे गेट इरिटेटेड, एंग्री एंड दे गो कि यार तो अपना काम कर ही नहीं सकते, मेरे पे डाल रहे हैं सब कुछ. Yes or no? It's a fear of knowledge. जैसे मैं आपको बताती हूँ, मैंने ये मेडिटेशन किया जो मैं आपको सिखा रही हूँ. मेरी गाड़ी का एक्सीडेंट हो गया. So what happened was बहुत सारे पेपर्स थे. I am always used to being surrounded by people who do my work. पर जब ये गाड़ी का एक्सीडेंट हुआ तो मुझे RTO जाना है, ये भरना है, इंश्योरेंस कॉपी देखनी है, इंश्योरेंस कराना है, तो पहले तो मुझे लगा कि जाने दे, दूसरी गाड़ी खरीदनी है। पर देन आई रियलाइज कि इट वॉज अ फियर ऑफ नॉलेज कि यू हैव टू गो डीप विद इन एंड सी कि इसके लिए किसको मिलना है, इसके लिए किसको मिलना है, किसको अप्रोच करना है, क्या करवाना है। तो इतनी सारी चीज़ें जब मैं आई रियलाइज द व्हाई आई एम नॉट डूइंग इट इज वाज बिकॉज ऑफ फियर ऑफ नॉलेज। सो बेसिकली व्हेन आई मेडिटेटेड and I release this fear because I realize if I am the supreme consciousness, every single knowledge in the world is a pocket of my knowledge. Yes or no? Today in your brain you have got already lots of knowledge. थोड़ा संगीत की नॉलेज है, राइट? कुछ बचपन की खेलों की नॉलेज है, कुछ गेम्स की नॉलेज है, कुछ एंटरटेनमेंट की है. So you have so many pockets in your brain of knowledge. Yes or no?
Yes.
Today because you are limited, you think I know only this much. आपको लगता है मैं ये काम कर सकता हूँ, ये कर सकता हूँ, सोशल गैदरिंग में कर सकता हूँ, ऑफिस में ये काम कर सकता हूँ. But today in realization that I am the supreme consciousness, आपके जैसे छोटे छोटे ब्रेन सारे वो आप ही हो. So you realize कि actually you can do everything. Like today you are sitting in Chakra Yoga, you are only thinking about spiritual knowledge. When you sit with friends, you will think about your entertainment knowledge. When you sit with your family, you will have another type of maybe the knowledge of guiding children. So it is at this particular moment, it is your knowledge. So in this realization कि all this knowledge is part of me only, I am only feeling limited कि no, this is very difficult, मैं कैसे करूँगी, RTO जाना है, इंश्योरेंस जाना है, पुलिस स्टेशन जाना है, कंप्लेन करना है, कॉपी इसको देनी है. So then I realized my fear of knowledge, and I realized कि this was the reason why I never wanted to get into income tax, because finance देखते से ही बहुत सारे numbers जंगल होते थे. When my chartered accountant used to come and sit in front of me, वो बहुत देर तक कुछ बोलता रहता था. After some time I used to tell him कि आपने जो इतना सारा बोला है ना, मुझे बस ऐसे ऐसे सुनाई नहीं है, because my mind used to go somewhere. Because जैसे ही लगता था इतने बड़े बड़े figures और twisting, jumbling he used to say, my mind used to go somewhere. So then I realized कि it was a fear. It was my brain telling me, no, it is not my forte, मैं नहीं कर सकता. But life is not that. So what meditation I'm going to do with you? I did this meditation, and when I did this meditation, today you put me into anything, I will learn it. My child will put me into electronics, will put me into anything, I don't say no. Of course, consciousness is very kind. It will always put me in what I am made for. It will not put me in everything. Most of the time you have a fear of knowledge because you will feel कि मुझे ऐसा नहीं करने देगा. I hope this person will not tell me to do this every day. But when you release this feeling of being overwhelmed, ये word है बहुत अच्छा, overwhelmed. जब भी बहुत सारा काम आता है, बहुत सारी चीजें आती हैं, you feel overwhelmed. बहुत हो गया, नहीं कर सकता मैं, not my, I can't. जैसे suppose you are suddenly going first time abroad, आपको इतने सारे instructions दिखेंगे, ट्रेन ऐसे जा रही है, ऐसे जा रही है, ऐसे ऐसे systematic. You become overwhelmed. You feel no, I don't want to go alone. I want to have a person with me. But जिस दिन this exercise you do properly, you will go. You will see the sign. Okay, क्या लिखा है? Oh, it's Chinese. I can't read it. Then you write the person. Okay, hello. How can I go? I want to go here. Okay, ching chong. I don't know. पर होता है when you go abroad. I went to Bangkok. बिल्कुल भी किसी को नहीं आती भाषा. तो क्या हुआ कि पहले तो जब निकलते हो होटल से, होटल वाले को बोलते हो भाई एड्रेस लिख दो जरा इनकी भाषा में, तो एड्रेस लिख के देता है. फिर टैक्सी वाले को दिखाते हो इधर जा, इधर ऐसे करते हो. पर अंडरस्टैंड कि हंस भी सकते हो, पर जब फियर होगा तो यू नेवर लाइक टू ट्रैवल अलोन. पर आई गॉन टू मार्केट, आई गॉन टू स्ट्रीट, वो 3 बोलते थे, मैं कहती थी 2. ऐसे करके हमने सारी बात करके बार्गेन कर करके चीज़ें खरीदी, चाहे लैंग्वेज समझ नहीं आती है, पर फियर चला जाएगा. कुछ ना कुछ किसी ना किसी को ढूंढ लोगे, और कोई ना कोई एक सरदार जी और एक इंडियन कहीं ना कहीं मिली जाओ. थोड़ा बहुत ढूंढोगे ना, मिल जाएगा. अच्छा जी आइए हेल्प करो. गॉड विल सेंड समवन टू हेल्प. चाहे वो होटल हो, स्टेशन हो, टैक्सी हो, यू विल फाइंड पीपल. वो फियर हटाना पड़ता है. Because of this fear, today you are not doing many things which you can do. Yes or no? हर बार you want a support. तू चल मेरे साथ, तू चल, तेरा एक्सपीरियंस है, तू चल. Why? Go explore करो. गिरोगे पढ़ोगे सीखोगे। So after doing this meditation, मेरा वो fear चला गया. So I'm always ready. It's okay. जो भी आ रहा है, I will learn it.